Hello everyone, my name is Rekha and my topic is on cybercrime. So, what is cybercrime? So, basically, this cybercrime refers to crimes committed by digital devices such as computers on the internet, and also it is referred as cybercrime. Now the data is plentiful every day, and it is illegal for internet attacks to get more money, and data to be stolen from servers or money to be stolen illegally. So due to this poor security controls, cyber criminals often use less developed countries and then use them to gain access to large multinational corporations. Suppose if a bank's internet security is at risk, so then the entire country's internet may be at risk, causing serious violations. So here are the goals: to analyze crucial steps that will help prevent cybercrime, how cybercrime can range from security breaches to identity theft, how to manage your social media setting to prevent cybercrime, how system can perform data processing using automatic configuration. So the issues in detecting the cybercrime is the victim. If suppose first thing is cybercrime can use remote communication to spread spam to create a message for customers online. And if the victim do not have enough money in his account and his credit card is being used without his consent, so such criminals are very difficult to support as they retain their identity until crime occurs. So it is very difficult to ensure that financial institutions do not have an accountant. The different type of spam strategies are unsolicited messages, confidential information, detection by fingerprint, leak of financial information, malicious links. The method used to detect malware. So the methods which are used to detect the malware are, the first method is made and is based on online classifier, and by these online classifiers the incremental learning is enabling, which will facilitate the process to scale different application, that to adapt the technique in every malware application. To identify the cybercrime, as I have mentioned earlier, that due to the poor security controls, these cybercriminals often use the less developed countries, uh, and then they use them to gain access to large multinational corporations. Um, as I told you that if a bank's internet security is at risk, then the entire country's internet is also at risk, and which causes the serious violations. So in January 2016, the security company created a criminal audit, so which one of the South Africa's most targeted countries. This South Africa was deported on the basis of a cloud map of this cyber criminals. So the most of the software contains viruses, worms, or other programs. So here is the analysis. The the main reason for using mainframe computers is to process small data instead of separate computers to prevent cyber threat. And another advantage of mainframe system is virtualization, which allows multiple logical systems to be created in the same framework. So this because of this design and redesign of these components, large computers are often larger than servers, providing better usability and scalability. So I have some of the key components. Here are the key components. So which a host program such as a disk and adapter interface can be changed or upgraded without shutting down the server. So according to a Microsoft intelligence report, these worms are the most common type of malicious virus, and in the fourth quarter of 2014, and 8.3% of computers were damaged in the fourth quarter of 2014. So the conclusion is the crime problem is a serious problem because it can affect everyone, especially in young and old. So these criminals are adapting to this new way of life, including identity theft and creating innovative ways to commit crimes. So, for financial gain, criminals are not only interested in breaking the law, also hiding their identities in federal funding programs, participating in terrorist programs, or obtaining work permits. So, it is customary to prevent such costly crimes by apprehending and investigating criminals by reducing the budget. Here are the references. Thank you.